What's going on, everyone? Thank you for coming back. As you can see, I have some TIG stuff here lined up. Basically what this will be a video of me introducing myself to TIG welding. I've never TIG welded before. I'll show you a quick rundown of the machine I have, of my consumables and whatnot. Hopefully today we can show you a little bit of welding. It's my first time. I got some coupons here, aluminum coupons. I do have some steel and whatnot, but today we're going to be focusing on aluminum. Now the machine that I decided to go with was a Ahp Alpha TIG Tool 1XD. It's been said it's a great entry-level TIG machine. Basically, you can do TIG or stick, but I'm trying to focus on TIG. You could do AC, DC, aluminum, stainless, carbon, and so on and so on. It does have a pulse setting, but we won't be messing with that today. We have a size 17 Rotoflex TIG torch. We're running 332nd CK Worldwide laser tungsten. Just regular stuff. This is not a stubby gas lens kit. It's just a regular old collar body and whatnot. I do have a stubby kit that I bought, but in a different video, what we'll do is we'll compare the two from a gas lens to a regular cup. Hope you guys can see that. I don't think it's enough amp, so we'll go a little bit, a little bit more amperage. I'm not using the TIG finger right now because it's not getting that hot. So when I get into some, some 1/4 inch carbon steel, some stuff like that, then I'll wear a sleeve. But it doesn't seem, it's not getting that quite hot. Again, this is a 4043 1/16. I'm probably gonna dip my tungsten or something, but what the hell. Oh, it's actually not that bad. it's kind of hard to get the arc started, but I'm thinking it's because my tungsten was too far away from the base. This is my first ever bead right here of aluminum. Kind of see a burn mark right there. But, I mean, the first one, it's not bad at all. All right, we'll try this again. That second one right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, I guess. Oh, that's probably my best one. Now, if you guys can't see while I'm welding, I'm sorry I don't have a lens for the camera. But I'll show you real quick. This is probably my best one so far. This one's okay. This one has a, like, it started off really hot, or I'm not too sure why. Like all these three. No, this is probably my best one so far. This one. I kind of like that last setting. Like the arc initially started quite well. It wasn't like flying around and whatnot. was quite not bad at all. Wasn't bad at all. Trying to see if I can clean up the outer edge. There's a little bit of porosity on the start, but I mean, I'm expecting this kind of stuff because once again, I'm starting out. But I don't think I've dipped my tungsten quite yet, so I'm kind of happy for that. Keep going to the right. I wonder why they did that. Do my best. I'll show you guys close up. You guys can't really see, but this was probably my best one. And this one right here. This one was gonna be a good one, but I was quite too fast. As you can see, the puddle didn't quite, you know, fill in like this one did. You know. So yeah, you know, I like this one right here. You know, we'll keep making more videos as I kind of want this channel to, you know, follow through. And yeah, I'm excited. Definitely got the first ones out the way, and you know, different videos we'll do some carbon steel. Hopefully get it into some stainless steel, stuff like that. But there's definitely room for improvement. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and peace.